How to add a Netflix account. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can add a Netflix account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now open up Netflix. Now there are two types of things that you might be talking about. One is the account itself and the other is the profile. These things that you see over here is actually a profile. And if you're talking about this is not an account. This is the profile in one of the accounts. And if you want to add another profile, you have to tap on the plus icon over here and then just name a new profile right like that. Once you name a new profile, tap on the save button. You can also turn on kids profile. You can do this for up to 4 or 5 people. And once you log into one of the specific profiles right over here. But this is only about adding profiles. But if you're talking about adding the whole account itself, so you can go to the account section. Netflix does not let you switch accounts just like that. So instead what you always have to do is you have to go ahead and first of all sign out. Once you sign out of Netflix over here, you'll be able to successfully log into your another account and then add them in that way. So just tap on the sign out button over here, and once you sign out of it, you'll be able to log into your account from this exact app. But if you were talking about profiles, these are profiles and these are not accounts, so you can actually add up to more by tapping on the add profile button. If you're talking about switching accounts, that is not possible. In order to switch accounts, you have to log out and log into another. Hope this video cleared your confusion as to how you can add Netflix accounts, or maybe you were meaning some profiles. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.